Welcome to my channel. I know you all have heard about the great Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. He shared numerous insightful quotes on the stock market and investing. Here are 5 famous quotes attributed to Warren Buffett. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This quote highlights Buffett's contrarian approach to investing, suggesting that investors should capitalize on opportunities when the market sentiment is low and be cautious when the market is overly optimistic. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Buffett emphasizes the importance of investing in high-quality companies with solid fundamentals, even if they may not be available at a bargain price. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. This quote underscores the importance of focusing on the intrinsic value of an investment rather than solely looking at its price. Value should drive investment decisions. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Buffett highlights the significance of having a long-term perspective in the stock market, as those who can withstand short-term fluctuations and hold investments for the long run tend to be rewarded. Our favorite holding period is forever. Buffett advocates for a buy-and-hold strategy, preferring to invest in businesses with enduring competitive advantages and hold them for the long term. Please note that these quotes are based on Warren Buffett's investing principles and may not be verbatim. However, they encapsulate his wisdom and insights into the stock market and investing. For more such information related to the stock market, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks.